Welcome to another video. SRN Slot is here again. Today's video, going to start this lightning cash. It's a magic pearl game. So let's start 10 cents denomination. Let's put $300 in the machine. I hope everybody's doing good. We put $300 in the machine and let's play $5 bet. Let's see, we want more, like 6 of this balls, a pearl ball, and 3 of this, a dolphin. Another day guys. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and comment down below if you want me to play another machine. Did one more. Come on, Magic Pearl, 2 more. Come on. Two more. Oh, that's a big number right there. That's $250. Almost there. Let's change the bait to $10. The $5 doesn't give us anything. Come on. Wow. Yes, we got it, guys. Oh, we got it. Guys, we have the mini, $100, minor, grand and major, guys, 53,000. Oh, this is a lot. Like, subscribe to my channel, guys. SRN Slot. Let's go. Big numbers. Big. Oh. Come on, save. Oh, I saw a mini. Come on, save. Wow. It didn't save us. That's $300.70 bonus. Sa coin shower. Let's stop this. Yeah, we have $370 hit. So let's go to $5. Come on, 2 more. Oh, almost back to back. We're playing. We changed the bet, guys, to $5. We're betting $10 earlier. Come on, Magic Pearl. Give us another bonus. Wow. Oh, minor. Oh. Minor bonus like $500. Wow. Come on, this is wild. We need all of this, like the 3 reel. Oh, that's how much? Come on, Magic Pearl. Show me your ultimate bonus. Where's those dolphins, you know? Dolphins, guys, hiding. Oh, wow. Oh, one away. Come on, dolphins. Uh-oh. Come on. Oh, look. Now we hit. How much? Oh, that's $37. Numbers. 3 of this, 3 of this. Come on, dolphin, let me touch you. 3 more. Oh, wow.
¿Qué le iba a decir? Allá pueden buscar en las cavaderas de a 1.80.
Oh, let's rapid press. Let's see. Oh, nothing. Wow.
Oh, Mario, juegue con mi tarjeta, ven, en las tapaderas. Me le guardo la tarjeta.
Yes, we got it. Small numbers, but no complaint. Still good. I'll take it. Let's go. By the way, that's the progressive, guys. Right there. Come on, let's go. Save. So, Minnie's passing by. Oh, there you go. Save again. Oh, another one. Oh, it's small. They're all $5. Oh, again, another. Drop that major. Oh, another one. Save. Oh, no. Last one. Oh, there you go. And the last is spin. Save. Come on. Oh, one more. Save again. Oh, another one. One more. Oh, no. Finish that. Small numbers. Guys, let me press this. Alright guys, we start $300 on this. We made $165. Let me finish the video here, guys, because I show you already those 2 bonuses already. And thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe.